Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title, we're gonna be doing a wish haul. I don't think I have ever done a wish haul on my channel, so I'm really excited to show you guys what I got. So before we start with the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and let's get started with the video. So like I said, I'm excited for I didn't get a lot of things, but I'm still kind of excited. So most of the things that I got are nail related because now that we're in quarantine, I've seen that everyone is doing their own nails. So of course I have to give it a chance. I don't know how to do nails, so I have no idea. I'm probably just gonna go on YouTube and search how to do nails or something, but I'm kind of excited. So the first thing that I got is a gel nail kit. So the box is already open because when I got it, of course I had to see what came inside, and then I couldn't put everything in there in the position they came in. So yeah, so this is the brand Moroban, I don't know how to say that, but then it says professional nail art. So you open the box and there's a lot of stuff in here. So it comes with a user's manual of nail decoration kit. It's just a little book that lets you know how to use things. And then in here you have like nail glue, some base coat, you have your glitter gels, and then over here you have solid colors, and you also have like a chunky glitter type. You have some buffers, you have your clear, your pink, and your white UV gels to actually create the nail. You also have some white tips here, and over here, this thing right here, this is the UV lamp, which I thought that was a great deal because this was 50 bucks. I want to say I'll have everything linked down below, but I'm sure it was like 50 bucks. But for everything that comes inside, I think that's pretty good. So if you guys want to see me do like a review or like me trying to do a nail on me, let me know because I'll be happy to do that for you guys. Next, I got some more stuff to go with the nails. So first I got some rhinestones, which I already used in one of my makeup videos because I was so excited to actually wear them like on my eyes and everything. So it comes with a bunch of different sizes, as you guys can see. It comes with some smaller ones, then some mediums, and then the big ones. I don't know, I just this is like, you can use these with everything, not just nails. And like I said, I use it on my makeup as well. So yeah, I'm probably gonna do more makeup looks with these. Also, I got a bunch of those butterflies. These are so freaking cute, and I also want to wear them for nails and for makeup. So I got white, and these are from the brand Full Beauty Nail Pigment. It's not really a pigment, but yeah, it says that. These are so cute. So I got white, and then I got like a holographic black. I also got holographic. I got like a gold holographic and a hot pink. So cute, and I'm so excited to try these out. They feel like really nice quality, like the containers and the little butterflies as well. So super excited. Okay, so when I got the kit, I thought it was gonna be like one of those powder you know, nail kits, but it ended up being a gel. So I got some more stuff that it's supposed to be for, you know, those type of nails. So it comes with a little box, and I got a little container where you're supposed to put that purple liquid. I forgot the name, but you know which one I'm talking about. So I got this for that, but I mean, it's a gel kit, so it doesn't come with that. So this has no purpose. So I don't know what I'm gonna put in this or what I'm gonna use it for, but it's so cute because it's a little heart. But just let me know, guys, like what can I use this for, like on my vanity, because I know it's gonna be so cute. I just don't know what to use it for, so please let me know. But yeah, I got this, but it has no purpose for my nails. And then another thing, like I said, I got those nail cutters. But again, I'm joking, even though it comes with those white tips, so I guess I can use that, but I got this. And yeah, I just got it. And then I just got some random stuff. So that's the only things that I have for nails. Now we're moving on to some random stuff. So I got those soap sheets. This is how they look, because I've seen everyone getting these. So of course I had to get one, you know, because of the virus and everything, to have in my purse. So they have like a scent, but it's barely even there. I can barely smell it, but I actually try them and they do work. So I really like them. I think I got two for $1 or something like that. I can't remember, but I got the pink and the purple because those aren't my favorite colors. But yeah, I don't know, it's so random, but I thought it was cute. It's just one of those random things that you have to get. Then of course I cannot go into one of those websites and I'll get eyelashes. So I got a pair. This is how it looks. It comes in a white box, and this is like 10 pairs of random lashes. So you just choose, like they have 3 different types, and you choose one, and it's a box of 10 pair of eyelashes, like randomly. Like you don't know what style of eyelashes you're getting. So these are 25 mm. So if you're more of a short lash girl, this is not for you. I just like really big lashes. But yeah, it comes in with a white box. So it comes with 753C, and this is my personal favorite style, and I'm gonna repurchase it. So this is how it looks. It's so pretty. It's like so fluffy. Like, can you guys tell? It's so pretty, and I've worn it already and I'm in love with this style. So that's the first style. And then we have the style 70A, and this is more of the traditional lashes, just longer of course. So I hope you guys can see. This is how they look. These are also one of my favorite pairs. Those are like the type of lashes that I wear, just the 16 mm. Next pair is 47A, and this one is more of a crazy eyelash. This is more fluffy and more like wispy. So let me put this white box so you guys can see. So these are more dramatic in my opinion. Then we have the style 109E. These are so dramatic. I don't know why, but these look longer than the rest for some reason. That's how they look. Then we have 85-4. Then we have 109A. 45C, 45A, 57A, and lastly we have the style 609A. So like I said, it's just lashes, you guys. I don't have anything to say. I just need more lashes. So yeah, just thought, why not get some eyelashes from Wish and try them out. And so far I really like them. And lastly, this is like my favorite thing in this haul. It's so beautiful and I was in need of this. So this is a jewelry organizer little box, and it's of course in a baby pink. That's my favorite color. So you open it, has a little clasp right here. So you open it and this is how it looks. Right here we had some like hooks where you can put your necklaces, and then it has a little pocket, and everything is like a suede material, so it's really soft and it's not gonna scratch your jewelry. And then we have this divider, which actually is for your earrings. It has the little holes, and then it has a little tab, so it's easier for you to, you know, move it. But yeah, it's just for your earrings, which I thought that was really convenient. And then here you have a little space for your rings, and then you have a little space with these two dividers that I actually have together. You can actually move them, like take them out and everything, but I just have them like that because in here I have a little bracelet, and over here I have more bracelets and just another necklace and more bracelets. As of right now I don't have any rings, so I don't have anything here, but yeah. But I wanted to get this because now that I have more, like, I don't want to say expensive jewelry, but I have like, you know, like silver and gold, like real gold and everything that I want to take care of and not lose. I thought that getting a little jewelry organizer would be really nice and will keep all my jewelry, because I'm always losing my jewelry, you guys. Like, I'm one of those person who just takes off like earrings, bracelets or whatever and just puts them wherever, and I always lose them. So I since I have like a Pandora bracelet and I have a lot of charms, you guys know how much, like how expensive Pandora is. So I for sure want to keep them in a good place that they're not gonna get damaged or anything. So this little box is so cute. I believe this is the biggest size they have, because they do have several sizes. I believe this is the big one. It's just like the size of my hand. It's not big, so I like that because I can actually keep it in my vanity. And they do have different colors, but I had to go for the pink just because that's just my favorite color. But yeah, that was the last thing that I got from Wish. If you guys want more hauls like this, let me know in the comments, and I'll bring them to you guys. So yeah guys, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.